Session 2021. Children, be ready according to your serial number. Do not unmute yourself unless we call you. Okay? And keep your phones in landscape mode. Do not move your phone. Keep it fixed. First participant from class 4th is Divyanshu. Class 4th A. Topic is solar system. दिव्यांशु क्लास 4th A सोलर सिस्टम.
चलो शुरू करो दिव्यांशु. गुड मॉर्निंग से शुरू करो.
Good morning, I am Divyanshu. My project is solar system. Our universe is very vast. There are so many galaxies.
तुम जाओ ना. बोलो बेटा. बोलो.
Our galaxy.
पेरेंट्स प्लीज आप बीच में मत बोलिए. लेट हिम एक्सप्लेन एंड लीव हिम अलोन.
Our universe is very vast. It has so many galaxies. Our galaxy is Milky Way. There are about 10 billion solar systems in Milky Way. Our solar system is one of it. Our solar system is 4.5 billion years old. Our solar system is sun at its center. There are about 8 planets moving around it. These are planets. Mercury. This is green in color. It is closest to sun. Closest to sun. It is smallest planet. It is smallest planet to the solar system. Venus. Venus is next planet of solar system. It is also called morning star. It is white in color. Earth. This is our blue planet on which we all live. This is third planet. Next planet is Mars. It is red in color. It is fourth planet. It has got its name from Roman god of war. Jupiter is fifth planet of solar system. It is yellow in color. It is largest planet of solar system. Saturn is sixth planet of solar system. It is a ring around it. Uranus is seventh planet of solar system. It is white in color. It is third largest. Next, last planet is Neptune. Neptune is blue in color. It is fourth largest. It is last planet of solar system. Pluto is not a planet of our solar system because its path crossed the Neptune path. Year 2006, scientists decided Pluto is not a planet of solar system. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Divyanshu. I appreciate the hard work done by your parents. Thank you so much. Our next participant is participant number 12, Drishti Sharma, class 4th A. Topic is parts of plant. Drishti Sharma.
Good morning, respected teachers. My name is Drishti Sharma. I study in class 4th A. My project topic is parts of a plant. Like human beings, plants also have a different parts. Parts of a plant above the soil that we can see is called shoot of a plant. Part of a plant below the soil that we cannot see is called root of a plant. Now we learn about parts of plant. There are only 5 parts: root, stem, leaves, fruit, flower. Roots. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and holds the plant so it does not fall over. Example: potato and carrot. Stem. stem is strong and help hold the plant. It allows water and nutrients flow up to the leaves. Example, sugarcane. Leaves. Leaves collect sunlight and make food for the plants. Every plant have a different kind of a leaf. Example, cilantro. Flower. Flower is a part of plant that make seeds and fruit. Flower is colorful, so easily attracts hummingbirds and bees. Fruits. Fruit. Fruit protect seeds. They help. They help plants. They help plants spread seeds out because animals transport and discard seeds when they eat fruits. Example, strawberry. Most plants grow from a seed. Plants need sunlight, soil, water and air to grow. Plants gives us oxygen for breathing. Plants gives food and medicine. Plants make environment clean. We cannot live without plants. Save plants, save earth. Thank you.
Very well done, Drishti. Well explained. Okay. Thank you so much, Drishti Sharma. Now I'll move on to the next participant. Participant number 13, Jalaj Gupta, class 4th A. Topic is work of pulley in well. Jalaj Gupta. We cannot see Jalaj. उसको भी दिखाओ कैमरा में. Okay.
अलमारी में ये हटाना.
Morning everyone. My name is Jalak Gupta. I study in class 4th. My topic is work of pulley. Pulley is a kind of simple machine used to lift and move heavy objects. Pulley is a wheel-like structure. Rotates on its axis. This is wheel. This is axis. And this is groove edge. This rope is used to raise heavy objects. There are two types of pulleys, movable pulley and fixed pulley. My pulley is fixed pulley. Working principle of pulley is if we want to lift something without pulley, we require to apply force in upward direction. Pulley changes
मिट्टी
the
खाता है और
direction.
पानी पीता है.
Pulley changes the direction of force, so it is easier to apply force in downward direction than upward direction. If we want to lift something, but our body cannot apply that much force, we can use pulley. Pulley is used in to draw water from wells, in lifts, in construction sites, in cranes, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Excellent. Excellent. The way explained the application and usage in a simple way. I hope all the children will be benefited by the way he explained. Very good, Jalaj Gupta. Thank you so much, Jalaj. Our next participant is participant number 14, Jay Aditya, class 4th A. Topic is food chain. Jay Aditya.
आदरणीय शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, मैं आज आपके समक्ष प्रकृति द्वारा निर्मित खाद्य श्रृंखला को प्रादर्श के माध्यम से समझाना चाहता हूँ। प्रथम स्तर पर आते हैं हरे पेड़ पौधे जो सूर्य के प्रकाश एवं CO2 की मदद से जीवों के लिए भोजन बनाते हैं, इसीलिए ये उत्पादक कहलाते हैं। दूसरे स्तर पर आते हैं शाकाहारी जीव, जो पेड़ पौधे से अपना भोजन प्राप्त करते हैं। तीसरे स्तर पर आते हैं मांसाहारी जीव, जो शाकाहारी जीव से अपना भोजन की प्राप्ति करते हैं। इस प्रकार खाद्य श्रृंखला में संतुलन बना रहता है, लेकिन मानव अपने निजी स्वार्थ के लिए पेड़ पौधों को काटकर और जीवों का शिकार करके प्रकृति द्वारा निर्मित खाद्य श्रृंखला को असंतुलित कर रहा है, जिसका परिणाम हमने कोरोना जैसी महामारी के दौरान देखा। तो आओ हम सब मिलकर बनाए क्लीन इंडिया, ग्रीन इंडिया, बंजर धरती करे पुकार, वृक्ष लगाकर करो श्रृंगार। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, Jay Aditya. Okay, thank you. We'll move on to the next one. The next participant is Khushi Nishchal, class 4th A, and the topic is ropes and pulleys.
Good morning. My name is Khushi Nishchal. I am studying class 4th A. My project is on pulley. It is a kind of simple machine and used to move flipped object easily. It is used to draw water from well, in accelerator, in lifts, in crane. It is an important machine or tool to use by lift objects with smaller amount of force. It is by using pulley. Less effort is required for lifting of heavy weight. Along with pulley, wheel and axle system to use lift heavy object with less force. This is a working model of rope and pulley. This is a pulley, this is a wheel, this is a axle, this is a rope, this is a bucket. Pulley is attached to the axle is attached to the wheel, rope is attached to the pulley. जब हम व्हील को रोटेट करेंगे तो बकेट अप एंड डाउन जाएगी, उससे हम रोप एंड पुली से हम कोई भी हैवी चीज इजीली लिफ्ट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
Excellent explanation, and I appreciate the hard work done. Thank you so much, Khushi. Our next participant is participant number 16, Krishank Shringi, class 4th A. Topic is sources of water. Krishank,
And my name is Krishank Shringi. I hope you are taking good care of your health and washing your hands properly. Today we are going to learn about sources of water. Water is a basic requirement for our life on earth. All living things like human beings, plants, animals need water to survive. About 70% of water, about 70% of earth covered with water. Sources of water: rainwater, surface water, groundwater, rainwater. It is the main source of water. Rainwater, rainfall, and fill other water bodies. Surface water. It is the groundwater. To clean. Example: river, lake, sea, pond. Groundwater. This water is found in deep inside. Example: well, borewell, and tubewell. Water tank and drum. We use tank and drum to store water for home use. Why bring this water to our tank? We must boil or filter. We must boil or
We need water for cleaning, bathing, cooking food, and animals need whatever animals need water to drinking and take bath. So please save the water. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Krishank. Just focus on your model. We want to see that model. Just focus the camera on the model from top to bottom. We want to see it full. Yes. This was not seen in your this thing camera. Just show us that also. Okay. Thank you so much, Krishank. Parents should take care that whatever efforts they have done, everything should be seen to the judges. आपने इतनी मेहनत की है और वो यहाँ पे अगर कैमरे में आपके एडजस्टमेंट में दिखाई नहीं दे रहा तो योर हार्ड वर्क इज बीइंग वेस्टेड. थैंक यू कृषांक. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट नंबर 17, नैतिक लोनारे, क्लास 4th A, deep irrigation method.
My name is Netik Lunare. I study in a class 4th. My project topic is a deep irrigation system. Deep irrigation method, also called drop-by-drop irrigation and underground irrigation, function as its name implies. Drop-by-drop water is distributed to the active root zone of the plant. This method, if managed properly, might be the most water supply of the plant. This method efficient way of irrigation because the water runoff and evaporation reduce intensity. Work. This system minimizes the water runoff and evaporation, reduce intensity, and wind drift by delivering a slow uniform of steam or water, and the water above the soil surface on directly. Advantage. Water is used to optimum level and no soil erosion and number of weed very less. Thank you and have a nice day.
Can we see your model? What you have made? Can we see it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have made it so well. लेकिन explanation के time में तुमने हमें दिखाया नहीं ये सब.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Natik Lonare. Parents and children, please keep in mind when you are explaining your model and you should be seen. तुम क्या explain कर रहे हो वो दिखाई देना चाहिए. Okay? Thank you so much, Natik. Now our next participant is participant number 18, Niyati, class 4th A. Topic is working model of lungs before and after corona.
Good morning, respected teachers and dear friends. My name is Nidhi. I am studying class 4th A. Theme: Health, Hygiene and Cleanliness. Name of the project is Working Model of Lungs Before and After COVID Infection. Objective: in this COVID time, many people died due to the infection on lungs. I have made a working model of lungs before and after COVID infection. So I will show you healthy lungs or COVID infected lungs. It is healthy lungs. It is healthy lungs. And it is COVID infected lungs. It is squeezed lungs. Use mask. Stay safe. Thank you.
Can you come near the camera and show that lungs once again? Near the camera and show those lungs before and after corona.
Yes, ma'am. It is a healthy lung.
And another
And
one.
COVID infected lung. It is squeezed lung.
Okay.
Use mask. Stay safe. It is COVID infected as a healthy lung. Use mask. Stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Very well explained. Okay. Thank you, Niyati. Thank you so much. Now we'll move on to the next participant. Participant number 19. Judges, please note Riddhima Goyal. She is not there. She is absent. Now we'll move on to next one, participant number 20, that is Aditya Kumar, class 4th B, and the topic is ATM. Aditya Kumar, you can begin now. Keep your phone in front of you a little far so that we can see you and your ATM machine properly. Yes, you can begin now, Aditya. You can start, Aditya. Unmute yourself, Aditya. Unmute yourself.
My name is Aditya Kumar. My study class in 4th. My project name is ATM. The ATM discovered by John Shepherd Bayan, and the ATM full form is automatic teller machine, and ATM discovered Sun in 1967, and the ATM machine you take a money to get a process. The process is you take a ATM card in the ATM and you not take a card to not take a money. And second step is type your ATM code. Your ATM code is very secret because the ATM code not share any other. And the third step is give a money. And fourth last step is take your card. This is a cash. I take a card. This is a ATM card. I take under a card. Money get it. I take a money coin. Let's see. The coin are down. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. Does your ATM give coins also? I never saw that. I think it is a future ATM. Okay. Thank you so much. It was good. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. Next participant is participant number 21, Ananya Meena, class 4th B, and topic is air pressure.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ananya Mitra, class 4. My project name is air pressure. सबसे पहले हम एक प्लास्टिक बॉटल लेंगे और एक बलून और
Say aloud, Ananya. We cannot hear you. थोड़ा जोर से बोलो. Please keep your phone fixed at one place. Okay, I think there is a technical issue with Ananya Meena. We'll take her later. Okay, we'll move on to the next participant. Ananya Meena को बाद में लेंगे. Next participant is participant number 22, Arpita Jarwal, class 4th B, and the topic is fire. I think
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
My name is Arpita Jarwal.
Arpita Jarwal, please turn on your video. Turn on your video. Keep camera in a such a way that we can see your model also and you also. Now begin.
अर्पिता चरवाल। आज मैं आग कैसे जलती है इसके बारे में मैं आज बताना चाहती हूँ। आग जलाने के लिए हमको 3 चीजों की जरूरत होती है, फ्यूल, हीट, ऑक्सीजन। आग जलाने के लिए फ्यूल होना चाहिए, तभी आग जलेगी, और ऑक्सीजन और हीट होनी चाहिए। जब आपस में एक बनाऊंगी तभी आग जलेगी। यदि इनमें से किसी एक चीज को हटा दिया जाए तो आग जलना बंद हो जाएगी। आग जलना बंद हो जाएगी। या मैंने एक यहाँ मोमबत्ती ली है, ये अब ये एक मोम का काम करेगी। ऑक्सीजन इसे वातावरण से मिल रहा है, हीट हमने माचिस की तिल्ली पे जलाकर कर दिया है। यदि मैं किसी एक चीज को बंद कर दूं तो आग जलना बंद हो जाएगी। जैसे मैंने एक गिलास लिया है, मैं इस गिलास को मोमबत्ती पर ढक दूंगी। अब इसको ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल पा रहा है और ये जलना बंद हो गई है।
Okay. Done, Arpita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Arpita. Any questions? Okay. So our next participant is participant number 23, Diksha, class 4th B, and the topic is Save the Earth. Please turn on your video. Turn on your video. Adjust your camera. Okay. You can begin now.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Diksha. I study in class 4B. My project name is the Save the Earth. This is our planet Earth. We destroy it by air pollution, by deforestation, by water wasting. We can save the earth by green energy, use solar energy, use biogas, and use CNG, eco-friendly transport cycle. Stop forest cutting and save tree and plantation. Water conservation. Don't mix factory waste in river. Rain waste conservation. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much, Diksha.
Diksha, you have used the term deforestation in your project. So what is the meaning of this beta deforestation? क्या होता है?
मैम मतलब पेड़ मत काटो।
तो पेड़ काटने को डिफॉरेस्टेशन बोलते हैं। ओके,
यस मैम।
ओके, थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you so much, Diksha. The next participant is participant number 24, Harshita, class 4th B, and the topic is our solar system. Harshita, unmute yourself and start.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can start now.
My name is Harshita. I am student of class 4th B. My science project is our solar system. In our solar system is 9 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. All planets
planets in our solar system revolve around or orbit the sun. Mercury is smallest planet of solar system. Venus is hottest planet of solar system. Earth is the only planet which have life. Mars is called red planet. Jupiter is biggest planet of the solar system. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. The solar system is 4.6 billion years old. 99.86 mass is contained in the sun. Sunlight takes around 8 minutes to reach Earth. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harshita.
Harshita, beta, can you tell me a name of a planet on which life is there? Harshita, can we please tell us the name of any planet on which life is there?
In which planet life is possible?
Ma'am, solar system.
Planet. You are telling about planets. हम कौन से planet में रहते हैं? हमारे planet का क्या नाम है? What is the name of the planet on which we all live? हमारे planet का नाम नहीं पता? Okay. Thank you so much, Harshita. Planet का नाम पता है? हम कौन से planet में रहते हैं? Harshita, just put it down. You tell me. Earth. तो फिर life कहाँ पे possible है? Life किधर possible है? Life possible means people are living there. We live there. Plants and animals, trees are living there. Means life is possible on the planet Earth. Thank you so much, Harshita. When we are doing something, projects, हम लोग खुद कर रहे हैं, explanation कर रहे हैं. We should know each and everything about whatever we are presenting. Okay? Thank you so much. Our next participant is participant number 25, Karthikeyan Giri, class 4th B, and the topic is rainwater harvesting.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Karthikeyan Giri. I study in class 4th B. My project is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process to save rainwater. This process is mainly used in Rajasthan. This process is in done monsoon and rainy season. This is a collection tank. This is filtration tank. This is well. Collection tank, water goes to filtration tank. Filtration tank, water goes to well. Well, water mainly used to houseworks. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Karthikeyan. Any questions?
कार्तिकेय, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के बेनिफिट्स क्या होंगे बेटा? रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग क्यों करना चाहिए? क्या फायदा है उससे?
Ma'am, save rainwater.
If we will save rainwater, what all we are going to get? What are the benefits of that? हमें फायदा क्या होगा सेव करने से? क्यों जरूरत है सेव करने की?
हमारे लिए फायदा ये होगा कि हमको समय समय पर पानी मिल पाएगा.
ओके गुड. तो ये आप अपने एक्सप्लेनेशन में ऑलरेडी बताते ना तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहता ना बेटा. यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड द मॉडल सो वेल, है ना? ओके, एनीवे थैंक यू.
One more question, Karthikeyan. Wait. One more question.
कार्तिकेयन, यस बेटा, एक बात बताओ, बारिश का पानी तो वैसे भी जमीन में ही जाता है ना, तो अपन सेव क्यों करते हैं उसको? बारिश का पानी तो बेटा वैसे भी जमीन पी जाती है ना, और अपन सेव करके भी तुमने वेल बना रखा है, जमीन में डाल रहे हो ना पानी को अंदर, फिर अपन क्यों सेव करते हैं?
Yes, sir.
क्यों सेव करते हैं कार्तिकेयन? कार्तिकेयन देखो, जो वेस्ट वाटर होता है ना, वो नदी या नालों से होता हुआ सीधा सी में मिल जाता है, ठीक है। उसको बचाने के लिए, उस पानी को रीयूज करने के लिए हम लोग उसको सेव करते हैं। ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके।
थैंक यू सो मच कार्तिकेयन गिरी। पानी को सेव करने के लिए, एज वी ऑल नो दैट देयर इज सो मच स्कार्सिटी ऑफ वाटर, सो इट इज वेरी मच नीडेड। रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग की बहुत जरूरत है, एंड वी ऑल शुड सेव वाटर। थैंक यू कार्तिकेयन। Our next participant is participant number 26, Priyanshi, class 4th B, working model of lungs. Topic is working model of lungs. Priyanshi. Keep your project in such a way that we can see you also and your project also. Priyanshi, turn on your video. Turn on your video, Priyanshi. Okay, I think there is a technical issue. We'll call her later. Our next participant is participant number 27, Shagun Joshi, class 4th B, and topic is drip irrigation. Shagun Joshi. Shagun Joshi. Good. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Shagun. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Shagun Joshi. I study in class 4th B. This is my working model of drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a modern irrigation method. It saves water and nutrients. It's
Turn on your video. Turn on your video. थोड़ा दूर रखो मोबाइल को, हमें पूरा दिखना चाहिए। तुम्हारा मॉडल हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है।
yes, ma'am.
Shiven, please adjust the camera for her so that model can be seen.
जरा कैमरा को सेट कर.
You can hold the camera and stand ताकि शगुन पूरा दिखाई देगी, मॉडल भी दिखेगा। ओके, थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ और दूर से रखो। शिवेन, हाँ, नाउ बिगिन।
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Shagun Joshi. I study in class 4th B. This is my working model of drip irrigation.
Say aloud, जोर से बोलो।
Drip irrigation is a modern irrigation method. It saves water and nutrients. It is used these places where are less water. So I explain this. There are a switch.
Show
I
the model,
turn this
मॉडल
switch
दिखाकर बोलो।
and I fetch out water from well and save into this tank. And
We cannot see शगुन, दिख नहीं रहा है।
and there I fetch out water from the well and I save into this tank.
Shagun will give you chance at the end of 4th standard. Till then you adjust your camera. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
कैमरा एडजस्ट करके रखो। जब 4th स्टैंडर्ड का खत्म होगा, विल गिव यू चांस आफ्टर 2 चिल्ड्रन। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। Just adjust your camera, keep everything properly so that we can see your model. Okay, our next participant is participant number 28, Suchitra Kumari, class 4th B, type of bridges.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is
Suchitra Kumari, class 4th B, types of bridges. Suchitra, you can start now.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Suchitra Kumari. I am studying in class 4B. Today I am going to present types of bridge. Basically, two तरह के bridges होते हैं, fixed and movable. मैंने यहाँ बनाया फिक्स्ड ब्रिज। फिक्स्ड ब्रिज में फर्स्ट ब्रिज है बीम ब्रिज। बीम ब्रिज उन जगहों पे लगाते हैं जहाँ पर पानी का बहाव कम होता है। क्यों? क्योंकि जो इनके जो पिलर्स होते हैं वो बहुत पास पास बनाए जाते हैं, इसलिए इसको कम भाव वाले पानी में बनाया जाता है। और ये बहुत पुराने टाइम से रोड और ट्रेन दोनों के लिए बनाए जाते हैं। और जैसे कि ढोला सारथिया ब्रिज। फिर हमारा सेकंड ब्रिज है ट्रस ब्रिज। ट्रस ब्रिज इसको इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि नीचे हैवी पिलर्स खड़े करके ऊपर गार्डर से ट्रायंगल शेप का जॉइंट करके इसको बनाया जाता है, इसलिए इसका नाम ट्रस ब्रिज है। जैसे कि बोगी बील ब्रिज। फिर हमारा थर्ड ब्रिज है केबल स्टेट ब्रिज। केबल स्टेट ब्रिज उन जगहों पे बनाया जाता है जहाँ पर पानी का बहाव बहुत ज्यादा तेज है। जो इसके पिलर्स होते हैं बहुत दूर दूर बनाए जाते हैं और पिलर से रोड तक इसके केबल्स
We cannot hear you, सुचित्रा, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो।
जोर से बोल बेटा। इसके पिलर्स और रोड से एक केबल एक ही जगह से जॉइंट रहते हैं, जैसे कि अटल ब्रिज। फिर हमारा फोर्थ ब्रिज है सस्पेंशन ब्रिज। सस्पेंशन ब्रिज भी उन जगह पे बनाए जाते हैं जहाँ पर पानी का बहाव बहुत ज्यादा तेज होता है, क्योंकि इसके भी पिलर्स बहुत दूर दूर बनाए जाते हैं और इसको बहुत मोटे मोटे तार या फिर रस्सी से बनाया जाता है। इसकी वजह से इसका एक झूले जैसा टाइप आता है, जिसकी वजह से इसको लटका हुआ ब्रिज भी कहते हैं, जैसे कि सुदामा सेतु। फिर हमारा फिफ्थ ब्रिज है आर्क ब्रिज। आर्क ब्रिज उन जगह पे जैसे कि छोटी से बड़ी जगह पे यूज होता है आर्क ब्रिज। ये हाफ उल्टा सर्कल में होता है और ये रोड्स और ट्रेन्स दोनों के लिए बनाया जाता है और ये अपने ऊपर पड़ने वाले लोड को दोनों तरफ फैला देता है, जिसकी जैसे कि चिनाब ब्रिज। थैंक यू।
Excellent work done by you, and I appreciate the hard work that you all have put in making the model. Okay, thank you so much, Suchitra. Our next participant is participant number 29, Unnati Rao, class 4th B, rain cycle. The topic is rain cycle.
मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है रेनी साइकिल। मैं आज आपको बताऊंगी कि बारिश कैसे होती है।
Your project is not seen. हाँ.
जो हमारा ग्राउंड वाटर होता है पानी गर्म होकर हीट बनने के लागत वो हवा के साथ ऊपर चला जाता है, तो उससे बादल बनता है। बादल बनने के बाद जो हवा से उसके अंदर पानी भर जाता है, फिर वो बारिश के जैसे बूंदे टपकने लग जाती है, जिसे हम बारिश कहते हैं। और ऐसा चलता रहता है और ऐसे करके बारिश आती है। इसके लिए पेड़ बहुत जरूरी है। थैंक यू।
See, so many times we have instructed that keep your cameras at one place fixed. Now your voice was also blurred and your presentation was also blurred. Okay, thank you so much, Unnati. I request all the parents once again, please keep your cameras fixed at one place. Do not move and do not help your words. बीच में help मत करो. Do not unmute yourself if it is not your turn. Pradarsh, you have come late. So after 2-3 participants will give you chance. Pradarsh, wait for some time. Pradarsh, wait for some time. I'll call you in some time. Be there in the group. Pradarsh. पेरेंट्स, प्रदर्श के पेरेंट्स प्लीज म्यूट कर दीजिए, उसका नाम अभी अनाउंस नहीं किया है। नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इज, इफ योर नेम इज नॉट अनाउंस्ड, अगर नाम अनाउंस नहीं हुआ है, प्लीज डू नॉट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। Parents, please take care that do not move the camera. Keep the camera in landscape mode as instructed many times. Okay. Our next participant is participant number 30, Vineet Deepak Gedam, class 4th B. And the topic is cement and bamboo bridge. You can begin now.
Good morning, teachers and all of you. My name is Vedam. I study in class 4B. Today I am going to tell about my project, cement bridge and bamboo bridge difference. Definition of bridge. Bridge is structure that's built on busy roads, railway lines and rivers that's called bridge. The longest bridge of India is Bhupen Hazarika Setu that's built over river Brahmaputra in Assam. Advantage of bridge: reduce distance between two places, reduce travel time and traffic jam, easy transportations of goods. Road and railway traffic can run without interruptions. Now come to the point. This is my project. This is cement bridge. This is bamboo bridge. Bamboo bridge is made of bamboo, ropes and poles. Cement bridge is made of cement, bricks and iron rods. Bamboo bridge is very common in North and East India where bamboo is widely available. Cement bridge is mostly found in rest of India. Bamboo bridges are used to cross small rivers and water canals. Cement bridges are used to cross big rivers, water canals, road and railway lines. Bamboo bridge is cheaper than cement bridge. Cement bridge is more expensive than a bamboo bridge. It takes little time to construct bamboo bridge. It takes more time to construct cement bridge. Bamboo bridge is not stable and temporary in nature. Cement bridge is stable and stronger than a bamboo bridge. Bamboo bridge is narrow space. Cement bridge is wide. Very less can people cross bamboo bridge at one time. More people and heavy vehicle can cross cement bridge at one time and it bear more weight. Thank you.
कसं सांगू आता मग त्यांना ऐकू कसं गेलं त्यांना त्यांचा माईक म्यूट आहे का
Okay, Vineet, madam wants to ask a question.
Vineet, your project is excellent, beta. You have made it nicely. Just one question for you. What do we call the bridges which are made on road? So, road पर बनाने वाले bridges को क्या कहते हैं?
Flyover bridge.
Excellent, beta. Thank you.
Very good, excellently presented, and I appreciate the hard work done by you. Thank you so much, Vineet. Now I'll call the children who due to technical issue could not join. First I'll call the children of 4th standard. Ananya Meena.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ananya Meena. My class name is 4th B. My project name is Air Fresh. पहले हम है ना एक बैलून लेंगे और एक स्ट्रॉ लेंगे और एक प्लास्टिक की बोतल लेंगे और फिर है ना एक प्लास्टिक की बोतल में छेद
Your model is not seen. तुम्हारा मॉडल नहीं दिख रहा है.
बारे में बताऊंगा कि जब एसिड एंड बेस रिएक्ट करते हैं तो सॉल्ट एंड CO2
Pradarsh Trivedi, please mute yourself.
स्टिक की बोतल में हम छेद करेंगे और फिर उसमें स्ट्रॉ डालेंगे और फिर ऊपर बलून लगा देंगे, फिर उसमें से वो प्रेशर डलेगा, इसलिए फिर है ना पानी बाहर आने लगेगा। मैम एक मिनट। मैम थैंक यू मैम।
Excellent. Very good. Okay.
ओके मैम।
Thank you so much, Ananya. See, children, again I am instructing you all, please do not unmute yourself unless we call you. जब तक तुम्हारा नाम नहीं बोलेंगे unmute नहीं करेगा कोई. Okay, first I'll call Pradarsh Trivedi, class 3rd A, neutralization reaction. Pradarsh Trivedi, class 3rd A, neutralization reaction.
मैम
Priyanshi,
मैम नेटवर्क इश्यू था इसलिए मैं आई अच्छी तरह।
okay, Priyanshi, first you do. Turn on your video, Priyanshi.
ओके मैम। Good morning, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. My name is Priyanshi Maurya. I am telling about our lungs.
Priyanshi, turn on your video. We cannot see you. Priyanshi, turn on your video.
मैम
एक जगह पर बुक्स रख के प्लीज सिट एंड एक्सप्लेन. I think again some technical issue with Priyanshi.
यस मैम।
Technical issue है वहाँ पर. We cannot see your video. So okay, we'll move on. Next participant of 4th standard who was left was Shagun Joshi. Shagun Joshi, if you have set your camera now, you can come. Shagun Joshi. Okay. So now Shagun is not there, I think. So we'll call now.
मैम आई एम प्रियांशी।
Start and finish it off.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
जल्दी बोलो प्रियांशी.
Good morning, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. My name is Priyanshi Maurya. I am studying in class 4th A. I am telling about our lungs.
कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
Okay. Thank you so much, Priyanshi. Thank you. We have seen your presentation. Thank you so much. Shagun, if you're there. Okay. Now we'll call upon 4th standard. All children are over. Now for 3rd standard, Pradarsh Trivedi, class 3rd A, neutralization reaction. Pradarsh Trivedi. Turn on your video. Turn on your video first. Video open करो.
Salt, CO2 gas release,
Please turn on your video, Pradarsh.
better taste, lemon is acid, water base, and bubbles are CO2 gas release, and ये नीचे वाइट कलर का बैठ रहा है, ये सॉल्ट है, ये रिएक्शन आएगी एसिडिटी को हटाने में भी काम आता है।
और ये एसिड और ये बेस है।
ये एसिड है और ये बेस है, ये बेस है एसिड है।
लिखा है ये देखिए इसमें CO2 रिलीज हो गई।
ये रिएक्शन होता है,
ऊपर रखो यहाँ से।
ये CO2 रिलीज हो रही है।
एसिड में खट्टे होते हैं,
एसिड खट्टे होते हैं और बेस कड़वे होते हैं।
हमारे पेट में पेट की एसिडिटी दूर करता है
एसिडिटी भी दूर करता है।
और ये सॉल्ट न्यूट्रल
और ये जो सॉल्ट होता है इसका, ये न्यूट्रल होता है
और एसिडिटी को
न्यूट्रल कर देता है। ये न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन बोलते हैं। थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you so much, Pradarsh. Thank you so much. If Harshit Rathore or Mohini Chaudhary are there, Pradarsh, you can mute yourself now. Yours is over. We have seen. Thank you, Pradarsh. Next is Harshit Rathore, if he is there, or Mohini Chaudhary. Mohini Chaudhary, if she is there. Okay. So children who were left, I am calling them once again names. Harshit Rathore, Mohini Chaudhary, both are absent. Shagun Joshi, if she is there. Shagun Joshi. Okay. So here we come to the end of online exhibition, science exhibition for class 4th standard. Okay. That's all for today. I appreciate all the hard work done by the parents of class 4th. Thank you and have a nice day.
Bye, man.